Hey guys, this is going to be a quick overview video for our brand new print-on-demand software, Pyretos, that is now available for you. This will just be a quick overview. I'm obviously not going to go into everything this software can do. You'll be able to get more information on that by clicking the button below. I'll also have a group that you can get into with more videos as well. But Pyretos was designed primarily for you to build Etsy stores. However, you can use these designs that you come up with here for products that you could put in eBay. If you have a Shopify store, you can use that. If you have your own website or anywhere that you sell products and print and demand products online. Okay, so what Pyretos will do is it searches the internet and it searches all the Etsy products out there, and it comes up with what the hot new trends are. Okay, so you have a trend button here. It'll also do niche research for you, and it will combine niches, which I'm going to show you as well here real fast. So basically, this software will search the internet. It will come up with exciting and unique designs and slogans that you can put on your print on demand products, whether they're t-shirts, mugs, hats, aprons, whatever they may be. And so it'll come up with these slogans that you can use that will fit your niche market that you pick. And then it will give you an image prompt that you then take over to ChatGPT or another AI website that you use, and it will generate a simply amazing image for you for these products. So let me show you how this works. Let's say that you just want to look at the trends right now. Okay, so you click the trend button here, and right here it's going to say load trends. Okay, so what this software will do now, it will load all the newest trends that it finds on the internet, right? So you could see all these different things here. There's World Cup hype, retro gaming, AI companion, pets, skateboarding mainstream, all these different trend ideas that it comes up with. Celebrity wellness guru, right? That's kind of a cool one, maybe. Crypto recovery memes for people, that are getting locked out of their crypto accounts. Plant-based seed food, for vegans and stuff like that. And if you don't like the ones it comes up with, all you do is just click the refresh button and it'll give you all new ones. Okay. But let's say that we like this celebrity. What can we do here? Maybe a celebrity wellness guru. What you do is this has a 7 score, so it's probably maybe not the best one here. Let's see if there's some other ones here that I like. Yeah, I'm just going to stay with that one. I'm going to click the brainstorm button. And when I do that, what it's going to do is it's going to bring up 10 unique slogans and the designs for those slogans. Okay. So we clicked on it. You see here, we got 369. We got 10 different designs that we can use here, right? I paid $300 for this advice. Detox your feed first. Your cortisol levels are fine, Karen, right? They don't sweat. She manifested a sponsorship deal. All these different things pop up here. And again, if you don't like any of them, you just click the brainstorm button again, right? And then what you could do is if you like certain ones, you can save them so that you can get to them later, right? Or if you wanted to generate a image right now, let's say you want to generate an image for this 3 days in and I quit the program, right? So you could click save to that. You can generate the design prompt. So this is what the software is really, really good at. It finds these unique slogans for you, and then it will generate these image prompts for you. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. You can do a basic image, which I don't recommend. I recommend you use one of these styles down below here, right? The hand-drawn ink sketch is good. The distressed vintage emblem. My personal favorite is sticker stack collage. The retro 70s is good. The Vamp Gothic, whatever you can like alternate these things on your products, or you can create a store that just has all the same looking products. Okay. So let's do sticker stack collage here. I'm going to come down. I'm going to click generate prompt. It's going to give me 2 different ones. The B one is if you use Kittle. I'm not using Kittle, so I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go over to my chat GPT here and I'm going to start a new chat. And I'm just going to paste that image prompt in there. and I'm going to have it create the image for me. Okay, guys, and you can see here, I obviously paused the video so you wouldn't have to wait. Look at that image that that created, right? Just an awesome image. You could see yourself putting this image on a t-shirt, maybe on a mug, maybe on an apron. I mean, it's just, there's just an endless things that you can do with an image like this. And this is the type of images that this software will create. Now let's go back in and let's see, let's say that you're let's say you're a teacher, for instance. So let's say we go in the niches here, right? And you could it'll bring up different niche ideas for you, but it's usually best if you have your own idea of what you want your store to be, right? And so down here they have it's called the cross niche formula. So what I did is I put teachers in here, and then you always want to narrow it down. You don't want to do anything that's really broad, you know. So I got teachers, I got high school teachers, right? Maybe you can have retired teachers, or you could put kindergarten teachers, or you could put driver's ed teachers, right? You can do a store on, all these different niches, anything that you can think of. Let's say we click generate cross niche here. And so what it's going to do is when you generate a cross niche like this, it's going to give you 5 different ideas. And the really cool thing is that you're able to validate these ideas. So let me just show you real fast, clicking on one of them here, right? Or here's grading papers, my cardio, coffee, my protein, right? So you could save these, you can brainstorm, and you can get 10 different ones just like this, right? You can just create a prompt right now from this one, or you can validate it first to see how it's going to potentially sell for you on Etsy. This is a really good one. A score of 82, guys, is really good. I like to use all the ones that have scores in the 80s. I'm actually going to save this one to my list here so I have it. But you can see here that when you get a 7 out of 10 for search volume, that's really good because that shows that Etsy, there's a lot of people searching for these types of products on Etsy. And also the competition is medium, it's not high, and it's rising. So this is a very good niche here. And so I saved that, as you see here. But then I can just come up here and I can just click design a prompt, or I can click brainstorm. Let's click brainstorm. What it'll do is it'll give me 10 unique slogans and image prompts, or image designs, I should say, for this particular niche, cross niche that we came up with here, right? And so here you see we're going to get 10 different ones. And then what you could do is you could go through and you could click save on the ones you like to get to them later. Or if you just want to, create something right now, here's actually the main one right here. I'm just going to create a design prompt for this. Okay, and there we have, we're going to select ChatGPT again. For this one, I'm going to come down here and I'm going to use like the bold retro 70s style for it. I'm going to use dark instead of light. And I'm going to click that. And then I'm going to go back over to, where was I at there? My ChatGPT. And I'm going to paste that in there to get this design. Okay, so you see, guys, it creates this really cool kind of retro 70s look to it, cardio grading, protein, coffee, sleep myth, all that. So that's a really cool image that you can use. So this is how the software works, okay? It'll help you come up with your niches for your stores, and it will generate these slogans for you, new, unique, exciting, slogans, and it gives you the prompts to create your images then on ChatGPT or wherever you like to go. So if you look here in the back office here, there's all the training is in here in the back office, right? There's an academy section here ready to go for you, right? It has everything in here. All the videos are in here. I also have a group on Facebook where I put my training videos in there, training videos I do. I have a workflow video in there that shows you how you take these images over to Canva. You edit them there, how you take them to a site like Printify and create the products in Printify and then publish those products to Etsy or your eBay store or a Shopify store, wherever you want to publish them to. So again, guys, I just wanted to make this quick. If you want to get more information, you want to get this software, there'll be a button down below here you can click to get the software. And have a great day, guys.